Alright guys, so here's how to enable autosave in Excel. It's quite simple, so let's get started. So as you can see guys, we have successfully opened our Excel file. So now after that, you need to simply find out the autosave. So for that reason, you need to move your cursor onto the right side like this and right click on your mouse to find out these options. And firstly, you need to go with the customize the ribbon, and from here simply go with the quick access toolbar. Now simply onto the left side, if we need to scroll it down and simply find out the turn autosave on and off, and simply go with the add. Now after doing so, you need to go with the OK, and as you can see guys, we got our autosave mode on and off here. So we will tap this on, and now if you have successfully signed in to your OneDrive, it will show like this. So you need to select the first one, which will bring you to the OneDrive name. So let's give it a name and simply go with the OK. So it will autosave your Excel document after every minute into the OneDrive. Alright, so if you have successfully logged into your OneDrive, it will show options like this. Also, you can autosave the process in your PC. So right now I will show you that. So for that reason, you need to go to the file and then simply go with the options. Now from here, you need to select the save option and simply check mark all these two, like save auto recover information after every 1 minute. And also you can play around with these options, like you can make it like 2 minutes and keep the last auto recovered version if I close without saving. So that's how you can simply do it, and you can see the auto recover file location is this. So if you want to recover the file, you can simply go with this location into your computer and you will get the previous auto-saved version. So that's how you can simply enable autosave in Excel. Hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next.